So this is the day 2 of our tour, guys. We are here at Dole Plantation Bay. Yay! So we're gonna see yung mga ginagawang pineapple. Grabe, sobrang init. Pero tolerable pa naman kasi it's only like 9. So here, naglalakad pa rin ako, seeing the pineapples. I think it's, hindi pa naman nata sila mga hinog or something. Kasi syempre, diba, they're like, harvest pa sila or whatnot. Pero grabe, ang ganda, lalo na dun sa may, dun sa pinakadulo. It's like, kinda like paradise or something. Pero super nice talaga siya. Diba? Makabasa yung Trapistin nails. Okay, nasa loob na kami. So, papaakyat. And then, we're just gonna check yung monastery dito sa place na to. So nice. I think, ganda ng ambience. Para siyang Baguio. I remember yung Camp John Hay ng Baguio. Parang ganito siya. So, very, very good. So, we're here now in Lake Cebu. Yay! Kararating lang namin dito. I'm gonna get my, Gatorade. So, we're here already. I think, ayun, ilang hours yung ride. Parang, basta malayo siya. Pero worth it naman siguro yung lugar dito. It's so nice and, yeah. Andito na kami sa room namin. Medyo haggard na ako ngayon. Walang retouch for how many hours? I forgot. Yung lips ko hindi ko na naayos mula kanina. Ewan ko ba? Nag-dry siya ng bongga. Siguro dehydrated ako. But it's fine. Yay! Look! Where are we right now? There. Grabe oh. Sobrang ganda. As in, sa labas lang siya ng room namin. So, there. Ang room namin, simple lang siya. So, it has like 4 beds. And then, yun ang bed ko. Yun ang CR sa loob. Like, it's a good price. It's only 1,850 pesos. So, but itiga mo naman, girl, yung sa labas ng ano namin, napakaganda. So, there. See? Yay. Yeah. Ano daw yan? Mga fish ponds. Okay, we're gonna eat lunch now. Late lunch. It's almost like 2 p.m. So we're all hungry.
Kasi 20 per falls.
Falls na! First falls. See?
Ayun, wala.
Gulo ng buko. Grabe, umulan pa. So, hi! I'm finally back in my apartment. So, ayun, grabe. Medyo haggard. Hindi na ako nag-vlog papauwi dito because it was just like, you know, drive lang. So, wala naman kaming pinuntahan ibang lugar aside from those places that actually we went on the first and second day. So, yun. So, yun lang. I will try to edit na the videos and then I'll go ahead and upload them. So, yay! So, I'm really happy. It was such a, you know, a stress reliever from work, I guess. So, yun. I'll go ahead and see you on my next video. Bye!